Bullying is a pervasive issue that affects individuals of all ages and can have detrimental effects on their well-being. Whether it occurs in schools, workplaces, or online platforms, bullying can cause emotional distress, anxiety, and even physical harm. It is imperative that we take a stand against bullying and work towards creating a society where everyone feels safe, respected, and valued. This comprehensive step-by-step guide aims to provide you with effective strategies and interventions to stop bullies from bullying. It is essential to understand that addressing bullying requires a multifaceted approach involving individuals, communities, schools, and organizations. By implementing these steps, you can make a difference and contribute to creating an environment where bullying is not tolerated. Throughout this guide, we will explore practical actions you can take to recognize the signs of bullying, support the victim, empower bystanders, promote education and awareness, and advocate for anti-bullying policies and programs. By actively engaging in these steps, you are fostering a culture of empathy, kindness, and respect, and working towards eliminating bullying from your surroundings. Remember, stopping bullying requires ongoing effort and a commitment to change. Each person's involvement and dedication play a vital role in creating a safe and inclusive environment. By educating ourselves, promoting empathy, and standing up against bullying, we can make a positive impact on the lives of individuals affected by this issue. Together, let us embark on this journey to stop bullies from bullying and create a world where everyone is treated with dignity and compassion. Step 1. Recognize the signs of bullying. Educate yourself on the different forms of bullying, including physical, verbal, and cyberbullying. Learn to identify the warning signs, such as changes in behavior, withdrawal, anxiety, or unexplained injuries in the victim. Understanding the dynamics of bullying is crucial for effective intervention. Step 2. Encourage open communication. Create an environment where victims feel safe to speak up and report bullying incidents. Foster open lines of communication with individuals who may be experiencing bullying, and assure them that their concerns will be taken seriously and kept confidential. Encourage bystanders to speak out against bullying as well. Step 3. Document and report incidents. Encourage victims and witnesses to document bullying incidents, including dates, times, locations, and descriptions of the events. Reporting these incidents to appropriate authorities, such as teachers, school administrators, or workplace supervisors, is essential to ensure that appropriate action is taken. Step 4. Support the victim. Provide emotional support to the victim by listening empathetically, offering reassurance, and validating their experiences. Encourage them to seek additional support from trusted adults, counselors, or helplines. Building a network of support around the victim can help alleviate the negative impact of bullying. Step 5. Empower bystanders. Educate bystanders about the importance of speaking up and supporting victims. Encourage them to intervene safely and report incidents of bullying. By empowering bystanders to take action, we can create a collective effort against bullying and promote a culture of intervention and empathy. Step 6. Promote education and awareness. Organize awareness campaigns, workshops, or seminars to educate the community about the harmful effects of bullying. Foster discussions on empathy, kindness, and inclusion to promote a culture of respect and understanding. Increasing awareness can help prevent bullying and create a supportive environment for all. Step 7. Implement anti-bullying policies and programs. Advocate for the implementation of comprehensive anti-bullying policies and programs in schools, workplaces, and community organizations. These policies should include clear guidelines for reporting, investigation, and consequences for bullying behaviors. Support initiatives that promote positive behavior, conflict resolution, and empathy. Step 8. Encourage social-emotional learning. Promote social-emotional learning programs that teach empathy, emotional intelligence, and conflict resolution skills. By equipping individuals with these essential life skills, we can foster a more compassionate and understanding society. Step 9. Engage parents and guardians. Involve parents and guardians in the efforts to stop bullying. Provide resources, workshops, and information sessions to help them recognize and address bullying behaviors. Collaborate with families to reinforce positive behavior at home and in the community. Step 10. Follow up and evaluate. Continuously assess the effectiveness of the strategies and interventions implemented to stop bullying. Monitor the progress, identify areas for improvement, and make necessary adjustments. By remaining proactive and responsive, we can ensure a sustained effort to combat bullying. In conclusion, congratulations on completing this comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to stop bullies from bullying. By taking the initiative to educate yourself and implement these strategies, you are contributing to a collective effort to create a safer and more inclusive society. Addressing bullying requires a multifaceted approach that involves everyone: individuals, families, schools, communities, and organizations. Each step outlined in this guide plays a vital role in breaking the cycle of bullying and fostering a culture of empathy, respect, and kindness. By recognizing the signs of bullying, providing support to victims, empowering bystanders, promoting education and awareness, and advocating for anti-bullying policies, you are actively working towards creating a positive change. Your efforts can have a profound impact on the lives of individuals who have experienced bullying, helping them regain their confidence, well-being, and sense of security. It is important to remember that stopping bullying is an ongoing process. Stay vigilant, continue to educate yourself and others, and remain committed to promoting a safe and inclusive environment. Encourage open dialogue, empathy, and understanding in your interactions, and be a role model for others. Your dedication to stopping bullying not only benefits the immediate victims but also contributes to building a society where respect, compassion, and acceptance are the norm. Together, we can create a world where everyone feels safe, valued, and free from the harm of bullying. Thank you for your commitment to making a difference and for being an agent of change. By standing up against bullying, you are fostering a brighter future for individuals, communities, and generations to come. Let us continue to work together to stop bullies from bullying and create a world where kindness prevails.